Happy St. Patty's Day to you guys. We are filming on St. Patty's Day. This video might be out. We might be into May, so I apologize. Y'all, that's just the nature of the beast, how we film these things. But I do appreciate everybody's support. I've been uber blessed to see how many followers, have started following the YouTube page. It's just very reassuring to me to know that I'm doing something that affects a lot of people and helps a lot of people. So please let all your family and friends know that the page exists. I will continue to try and expand the horizons and get out of the Ohio box more and more as we bring my law partner Clay, who runs our Atlanta office, into doing these videos as well. And we're going to start doing more industry stuff. I know that doesn't apply to everybody. However, it does apply to a lot of people, and it's regulations that we all need to be aware about and cognizant of, not even if you're not going to be in this industry, but when we deal with debates and people out there that don't know a lot about the gun industry and the laws that already exist. Not knowing the laws that already exist, the ignorance can lead to a lot more laws getting passed. So just keep watching the channel. We'll keep giving you the information. Today's question comes from a Ben, and Ben writes, if a business or corporation in Ohio have it posted no firearms, quote unquote, on a web page, but not on any of their multiple entrances, in this case a shopping mall, is that a legal means of disallowing firearms, and is it binding to a CCW holder? Ben, the answer is no. Thank you. No, I'm just kidding. I'll give you an explanation. But it is a very simple answer. The answer is no. For concealed carry purposes in Ohio, the sign must be conspicuously located on the premise. So it's not conspicuously located, it's not binding. However, understand that if they do find you with it and ask you to leave, you have to leave, sign or no sign. At that point, it's a trespass. But you're not committing a crime if they don't post the sign. They have to post the sign on the building in a conspicuous location. Don't really know what that means. Generally, we argue and think it's got to be somewhere on the entrance and on the door, and I think that's a pretty reasonable approach to take. I would even argue if they have it behind the customer service desk but on the door, it's still not conspicuously located. In my opinion, if you can avoid shopping there, I would avoid shopping there. Send a letter to the management, let them know they lost your business because they won't allow you to protect yourself while you're there. So I hope that answers your questions. One other thing, though, I did want to touch on, Ben, I almost forgot. It doesn't necessarily apply to open carry. So if I openly carry an AR-15 in that mall and I was arguably on notice and they could prove it, it may be considered trespass. Generally, what they'll probably do is tell you to leave. I don't know that the cops would actually charge you if you immediately left. They may try to question you, but it gets a little bit more murky when it's not a concealed carry. But the concealed carry laws are very explicitly clear. Got to be posted, conspicuous location. Appreciate it, Ben. Everybody else, thank you for your support again. And as always, remember to be safe out there and carry on.